You have to be in, man. Come, sit down up, sit down up. Tell them about my vacation. So me have new spooky. Give me kiss, give me kiss. Kiss? Give me kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah, kiss. Kiss, mommy. Mwah. Why give me this? So we have new spooky. That's the problem. We have new spooky. How's that? You know what that means? I could see a feed now go by now. Come tell us something in your ears. Come here. Yeah, that was there somewhere. Wait. Hey, that's there somewhere. Yo, are what? Yeah, that's what happened. Yes, and there's a lot more to tell you, but I have to clip your mouth a late, man. I have to clip these fingers first. Who them?
We are going for the money.
Don't box it on my face. I'm going to box for box. Took off your blood clot now. You are playing with it now. We're not taking a box for that, guys. We're not taking no box side. Come here. Beat yourself up. Hey, you see how I beat me up? Alright, come. Beat yourself. Like, seriously, behave now. Come on, look. Boy, sit down. Alright, let me tell you what going on. Listen. Tired of you. Look, calm down. Give me this. Okay. Give me this look, lad. Give me this look. Give. Come here. Give it to me. Come here. Come here. Look. Hey. Get out of spunking. What gonna cause this? What gonna cause this? Madness. Give me this. Got your bed, man. I'm gonna keep Mama say you got your bed. Up, down. The bed, you want fight with them? Oopsie. Come. Bedtime. I love you. You get so big. Mommy, baby. Mwah. What is? Embarrassing, man. Yeah, you have a road. Watch your man get strong. Watch your. There's a piece in chat. We'll go round and round, round and round, round and round. We. Dirty. Man, miss it. Dirty. Dirty. Alright. Give me this. Give it. Bomba. Backside chat. Backside. Bounty. Blood seed. No, sir. Yo. Guys, watch out, guys. Guys, I should get big the little time I send your way. You look, watch out. He might just sit down anywhere he want to sit down. He sit down anywhere he want to sit down and he climb anything. Look at him, and he aggressive.